Yes, just like the title said, I am making a moisture milk bath bomb today. Hi guys, it's T from Betty and Brenda, and welcome back to my channel for yet another video. So what is a moisture milk bath bomb? Basically, I am swapping out some of my dry ingredients or a certain percentage of my dry ingredients, and I'm adding milk. So today I am using buttermilk and whole milk as my milk ingredients, but you of course can use any milks that you like. If you don't want to do animal milks, you can of course use coconut milk. So why milk in baths? Well, milks are believed to help soothe and hydrate skin. They provide gentle exfoliation, and they're thought to improve skin firmness. So why not? Personally for me, I love a milk bath, and I just feel so soft and smooth when I get out of the tub from using a milk bath. So I thought, why not just go ahead and add them to my bath bombs? So that is what I am doing today. The full recipe is in the description box. Feel free to use this, change it up however you like. Sit back and enjoy the video. Now that all of my ingredients have been thoroughly mixed in my mixer and it's holding together rather nicely, I am going to go ahead and start making my actual bath bombs. So this is for my Christmas collection. So I am actually making donut bath bombs, and I'm going to place some sprinkles on it. As you can see, I added a little bit more alcohol right there because it wasn't as wet as I'd like it. You don't want it too wet, but for these donut molds, I do find that I have to have them just a little bit wetter than for my regular sphere mold. So I'm just placing it in as you would normally do, pressing my little finger through there to clear out the mixture from the middle of the hole. I press down, not that hard, and then I just tap lightly until I can slide it up and down and get the mold to release. course, there are a couple of ways that you can get your bath bomb out of the mold. As you saw a minute ago, once I took it out, I just turned it over onto some wax paper. But another way that's easier if your bath bomb is falling apart is to take a piece of cardboard, turn it over on that, and then sit it down on your wax paper. So this is the next day, and I'm making my bath bomb icing, which I use 25% cocoa butter, 25% polysorbate 80, and then 50% baking soda. I'm adding some titanium dioxide here because I want my bath bomb icing to be white. But of course, you can make it any color that you like. After I was sure that this was combined very well, I did let it sit just for a moment until it set up, so I can make sure that it would coat the actual bath bomb. Now I am going to add some super sparkles here because I want the water to have just a little bit of glitter in it when the bath bomb is released in the tub. The super sparkles didn't show exactly how I wanted them to, so later you are going to see me add some silver holographic glitter, but it makes the most beautiful water. You see the color and the sparkles. It is just gorgeous. So I take the bath bomb and just gently press it inside of the icing and let it coat. I'm going to add some sprinkles here because, like I said, this is my Christmas collection. So they are Christmas sprinkles. It's actually going to be 4 bath bombs in this collection. It's going to be so adorable. Okay, guys, so that is it for me. If you keep watching, you'll see how the bath bombs turned out at the very end once they dried, the different colors, the blue and the green. For the green, I did mix together a blue lake and a yellow lake, and that is how I got that green color. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about the video. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to click that notification bell so you'll know every time I put out a video. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will chat with you later. Bye.